Good morning, student. I am Professor Babita Saxena from SIRT College, and today's my topic is the important questions of control system engineering, which is the very important subject of electrical and electronics engineering of fourth semester. So this is the very important subject because it is a very core subject of electrical engineering. So you should study in deep in the, of this subject. So for the simplicity, I will tell you some important topic one by one of unit 1. I divided the all the unit in the two portion, numerical portion and the theory questions. So you have to study both the numerical portion as well as the theory questions. So from the unit 1, the block diagram reduction is very important. Signal flow graph, Mason's gain formula, and the modeling of dynamic system, electrical and mechanical and the hydraulic system. So if you cover these all the four topics, then you can perform well in the RGBB exam for the unit 1. You can attempt all the questions of unit 1. Unit 1 short note and the theory question, the open loop and closed loop system, difference in the open loop and closed loop system. So all the students listen carefully. In the open loop and closed loop system, although it is the theory questions, but you should not write all the theory. You should draw the block diagram, you should write the formula for the closed loop gain system and the open loop gain system. That is the feedback. So and to the point that what is the gain in the closed loop and open loop, and what will be the effect of the environment factor or the other factor from the open loop and the closed loop system, and the reliability of the system. So these points you should mention in your answer. The Mission scan formula also come in the theory question and also in the numerical portion. So it will be numerical portion and it will be a theory question. Error detector, the synchros, potentiometer, servo motor, and the tacho generator and the stepper motor. These all surely will come in the short note. So although these are the short note or the theory question, but listen carefully, you should draw the block diagram and the circuit diagram of all the components and all this control system. You should not write the only theory. You should write in the points or the bullets, creating a gap between the answers, and also the block diagram and the fact about the questions. In the unit 2, the numerical, unit 2 is very important, very important. 3 and the 4 questions comes from this unit. So the time response of the first order for the impulse, ramp, step, time response of the second order system for impulse, ramp and step. So there are the 6 questions, derivation as well as the numerical. You should remember the standard equation of first order and the second order. You should remember time domain performance specification as the peak time, maximum overshoot, steady state error. We all taught, we all learned these all the topics in the classroom already, and so you have to prepare the notes, or you have to notes already. Damping ratio, zeta calculation. Damping ratio is very important. Damping ratio calculation surely will come in the RGBB exam. Zeta calculation, what will be the value of zeta? There are some basic formula, so you should remember these formula. You should write on a clean paper these formula. Now I also give you the assignment of this type of formula summation in the unit in the assignment 4. Steady state error constant, Poisson's position, velocity, acceleration for type 0, 1, 2 system. So these five topics are the very important. You should learn very deeply these 5 topics of the numerical and the derivation portion. And from the unit 2, there is a very little portion of the short note, that is the test signal and the feedback control action, that is the proportional, derivative and the integral. I already given you the notes and already teach you these all the topics. Unit 3 numerical, unit 3 stability, Routh-Hurwitz stability criteria, numerical of Routh-Hurwitz, characteristics equation of the closed loop system and the roots of the equation, that is the pole and the zero, and according to the pole and zero stability of the system. So these are the numerical, and these are also the very important portion of all the 5 units. So the root locus and the route orbits. The 2 or 3 questions surely will come from this unit. Unit 3 short note is very little topic, that is the stability. I already prepared a video of stability and already posted. Unit 4 numerical portion is the frequency domain analysis, Bode plot. Bode plot, I already teach you the Bode plot. Stability analysis, reliability, relative stability, gain and the phase margin. There is a fixed formula for these 2 topics, gain and the phase margin. I already given you the notes for this topic. And the short note, the gain margin, the phase margin is the very important from the point of view of the short note. And the unit 5 compensation is the very important. So the compensation, lag, lead compensation, design of compensating network, and solution of the state equation, I already taught you. So these are all the important topic of all the 5 units. So these are not very lengthy topic. These are very important topics. So you should prepare a clean and clear notes of these topics, as well as theory and as well as the derivation, and learn many times so you can remember these topics in your exam. So revise more and more times. So thank you.